shortly present you HTML and CSS technologies. Those are the basic technologies which are used for making sites. Let's start with a little bit of HTML theory. HTML is language in which most websites are written. It is a standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Web browser receives HTML documents from a web server or formal local storage and renders the documents into multimedia web pages. HTML elements are building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are delineated by tags. Tags are used to mark up the start of an HTML element, and they are usually enclosed in angle brackets. An example of a tag is H1 heading tag. Most tags must be opened and closed in order to function. Open H1, our heading, closed H1. HTML tags most commonly come in pairs, as we can see. Open H1 and closed H1. The first tag in such pair is the start tag, and the second is the end tag. They are also called opening tags and closing tags. Although some represent empty elements and so are unpaired, for example, IMG. Now we are going to make our first little website. That way, through an example, we will show you the basic HTML tags and rules. You can open brackets and work with us. Write !doc_type HTML. This tag specifies the language you will write on the page. In this case, the language is HTML5. Then we are going to write HTML tag, precisely the opening and closing HTML tag. HTML tag signals that from here on we are going to write in HTML code. Inside of HTML element, we are going to put two basic elements, head and body. Head, this is where all the metadata for the page goes. Stuff mostly meant for search engines and other computer programs. Inside of each HTML tag, we are going to put title tag. This element is always turned on. This is where we insert the page name as it will appear at the top of the browser window or tab. Next to title tag, in head element, there can be placed different kind of meta tags. Meta tags are tags which give information about document, character encoding, name, page context, description. Next, we will make body tag. The HTML body is where we add the content which is designed so it can be seen by human. This includes text, images, tables, forms, and everything else that we can see on internet each day. In our case, in body tag, we are going to put a P tag. The P tag defines a paragraph. By doing this, we got our first internet page. When we open it in Google Chrome, we will see the title on tab and we will also see paragraph Hello World. Okay, we got a little familiar with basics of HTML. In next lessons, through concrete work on projects, we are going to get more detailed with HTML and its rules. You will see that when we get to those lessons. In next lessons, we will show you basics of CSS.